Good day, students. Welcome back to English class. I hope you all are doing good. Well, students, you all know that we were discussing about nouns and its types, right? And in our previous video, we discussed about common and proper nouns. I hope it is clear to all. And today we are going to learn about another types of nouns, which are countable and uncountable nouns. So let's start. First, let us see what countable nouns are. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. For example, chairs. Students, how many chairs are there in this picture? 2, right? That means you can count it. So that's a countable nouns. Next one is books. See, there's so many books and we can count it. That's also countable nouns, right? Pens, boys. There are so many boys playing, right? So these all are countable nouns. Students, remember one thing, that countable nouns can be singular, which means one, or plural, which means many. For example, if you have one book with you, that's a singular countable noun. And if you have 5 books with you, they are plural countable nouns. Clear, students? Now let's move on another type, that is uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. We cannot count them at all. Okay, let's see the examples. Water. Can you count the water? Can you say that 1 water, 2 water? No, right? Can you count milk? No. Can you count sugar? We cannot count sugar. Can we count rain? Not at all. We cannot count it. And there are many more nouns which we cannot count. Okay? But student, remember that uncountable nouns have only singular form. You must be thinking how. So students, just imagine, can you call water as waters? Not at all. Can we call milk as milks? No. And sugar as sugars? Not at all. Always remember, we don't use a or an with uncountable nouns. We don't say I have an oil or a rice, right? We don't do that. So students, we cannot use a or an with uncountable nouns. Clear? Now I have a lot of nouns for you here. Let's see how many of them are countable and how many are uncountable. Let's start with the first one. That is sugar. Can we count it? No, that is uncountable. Students, here uncountable nouns are marked with red color and countable one with black for your clarification. Okay? Moving on to the next one, that is rupees. Can you count rupees? Yes, you can. You can say I have 10 rupees, I have 20 rupees and so on, right? So it is countable nouns. Next one is butter. Students, can you count butter as 1 butter, 2 butter? No. So it is uncountable nouns. Now the next one is a loaf of bread. You know what do we mean by a loaf of bread? Means here we are talking about one full bread. So We can count whether we have 1 loaf of bread or 3 loaf of bread, right? So it is countable noun. Now next one is girl. Can you count girl? Yes, you can count. That means it is countable nouns. Next one is money. Can you count money? No. You can count rupees, but you cannot count money, right? So it is uncountable nouns. Next is a cup of butter. Students, butter you cannot count, but you can count a cup of butter. You can say, I have 1 cup of butter or 5 cup of butter. So it is countable nouns. Okay? Now the last one is gold. So students, you cannot count gold. You cannot say you have 1 gold or 2 gold. Right? So it is uncountable nouns. I hope students it is clear to all of you. So that means countable nouns can be counted and uncountable nouns cannot be counted. But students, what do we do when we want to specify uncountable nouns? Like if you want water, then how will you ask for it? Confused? So students, in that case, to specify the quantity of uncountable nouns, we use some words like a little, some, much, a glass of, a piece of, a heap of, a bottle of, and etc. Let's see this with some examples. For example, if you want to have bread, then you don't say I want bread. You will say I want a slice of bread. Here bread is uncountable. So to specify the quantity, what we did here? We used a slice of bread. Right? Now the second one is a piece of cake. If you want to have cake, what will you say? I want a piece of cake. Right? In the same way, a pinch of salt, a glass of water. So when you want to have water, you will ask for a glass of water. Right? So here students, all the words which are highlighted with red color, they all are uncountable nouns, right? So to specify them, we use these words with them. So simple, right? So students, I hope it is clear to all of you. So if you have any kind of problem, feel free to ask me anytime. That's all for today students. Bye bye, take care and have fun.